And we are back at it again, folks. And as you can see, I am standing in the middle of where we're about to put our drain box at. But I wanted you to get an idea of what's happening. And that just says that this beautiful design is going to allow for the water that is moving on this customer's landscape from the fence and from the neighbor's yard to be easily taken into this drain box that I'm standing in. We're going to be putting a 20-inch drain box in. It's going to collect all the water that's coming through this particular area of the landscape. And as you can see, it has been happening for some time now. But what we've done is we've designed this in a way that allows for that water to fall to the path of least resistance, which is going to be into this drain box. Now, after having done so, we're going to be able to take that water down this entire landscape design that allows for it to go within a 6-inch corrugated pipe off the back of the landscape. Now, these are some of the ways that we're solving our customers' landscape problem, but it also says that this is what we are able to do for you if you have a landscape problem, because we've been doing it for a very long time. So as you can begin to see this design, we got a whole lot of effort being put into this design, because it says that now we're going to be able to catch that water that's moving through this fence. And I want to show you how that's happening, guys, really quick. So the water from the neighbor's yard is moving off of this landscape here, and it's falling toward the path of least resistance, and it's moving through this particular area here. So when the water falls off of the landscape from the neighbor's yard, as you can see, it then makes its way throughout this entire landscape, and it's moving onto the concreted area and then going through the fence. And so what we had to do is come up with the design, and the design that I came up with was one that we work with very, very heavily. And it just simply says that now that water is going to be taken by this design, in which is going to be able to fall into this particular drain box, and it's going to make sure that the water doesn't escape the landscape. And that's what we're focused on, taking that water that was coming off of the landscape and placing it into a position so that now it can be encompassed within this design. And it's going to truly enhance this customer's landscape drainage problem, but it's also going to give the customer a solution that lasts a lifetime. That's right, I do mean a lifetime, guys. We're not that company that comes out, do the job, got to come back out, do it again and again and again. That's just not us. We solve your landscape drainage problem the first time, and we also do so by providing you with a cost-effective landscape drainage solution that allows you to be able to see exactly where your money's going, but then also helps you understand the way in which you're going to be able to utilize it on your landscape. And so we do have a magnificent design here that's going to encompass our beautiful river rock along with our drain box. And then we're also going to take that river rock along the side of this landscape so that we can catch all of that water that was falling to the path of least resistance. We're going to be putting in over 12 tons of decorative gravel all throughout this landscape, ensuring that the customer knows that without a shadow of a doubt, we've been able to solve their landscape drainage problem. And that's just what we do right here at Bricks Landscaping each and every time, folks. We give you more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. And that's exactly what's happened on this landscape today, where we're now taking out the existing dirt. We're preparing to put in our 20-inch drain box that's going to take all that water that's coming through this fence. It's going to appropriate it into this drain box, and then we're going to be able to take it out of that area with this 6-inch corrugated piping system. Now, this definitely said that if you're in a position and you're looking for a landscape drainage solution, folks, you don't got to look far. The professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, we've been able to do it. And then it says that if you're watching on the Landscape Geek Learning Academy on YouTube, make sure you like this and subscribe so that you can see more ways in which we're solving landscape drainage problems as we continue to help you understand different ways in which you're going to be able to increase your profit margin by focusing on niche services that allow you to be able to have a higher increasing return. That's right. So rather than that of maybe cutting the grass, rather than that of maybe being able to put in the paper patio, we want you to start designing the landscape in order to solve the landscape drainage problems. And if you can begin to do that, you're going to find that all of the things that you do on the landscape are going to be a one-time solution, and it's absolutely going to give you back that landscape for your customer. Or if you're a homeowner, these are some of the ways that you can begin to deal with the water that is coming in on your landscape. And so in this particular case, we had a tremendous amount of water that was falling onto the landscape. We've been able to now direct it into this drain box, which you're going to be able to see get put in, and then it's going to be taken within a 6-inch corrugated piping system, and it's going to take itself off the back of this property at the lowest point, that lowest point being right here. And so these are just some of the ways in which we're giving our customers back their landscape. But it also says this is why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around, folks, because we're focused on providing our customers with a distinctive and detailed landscape experience at a reasonable price. Now, in addition to that, we're also going to be dealing with the customer's DIY project. As you can see, they got this beautiful design together, but we want to make sure that it lasts a lifetime. So we're going to be coming back with 57 gravel erosion control fabric, and decorative gravel to ensure that all of this water gets off the property in the most effective way. And that's why we become the highest rated landscaping company around. Now, if you're looking for a way to begin to do this yourself, you want to make sure that you join our YouTube channel. Just type in Brooks Landscaping and you're going to be able to see for yourself why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies in our area, and how you can begin to use these same designs on a landscape that is similar and be able to solve problems that last a lifetime. And these are just ways in which we continue to help our customers in the most exceptional fashion, guys. And that's just what we do right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.